Okay. So it's been a very hot day, but let's get this party started. For crying out loud. Sorry, just getting this and this and this sorted, right? One thing at a damn time. That's where we're at today. One thing. What are you using? Why can I not pin this? Okay, weird. Let me do this one more time. There we go. That was very, very random. So, anyways, moving on. That confused my brain cells. Moving on now. Sorry, hiccups. This is not promising price action, is it? Look at this. Interesting. Ah. Would have worked out, would have been terrifying, but it would have worked out. Again, would have been terrifying, but I guess it is what it is. That's why I'm squinting to see things, because I can't see without my glasses, because I'm a blind bat. Moving on. Let's do this. So, London happened. London was very interesting, for lack of better words. I was not expecting London to do what London did. So, anywho, let's see what New York brings. London was kind of, yeah, it was just, yeah. Mikwa Wave, what up? How you doing? Did you end up trading anything after I left, or no, not really? To give you an idea of how humid it is, like I showered before the London stream, my hair is still wet. It is so humid here today that my hair is still wet. Anyways, crying out loud. I did, but stopped at break even. That's not bad though. Break even's fine. Are you like a tiny bit in the green? Like $1? Maybe? That for me, that counts as a boop boop, just saying. Okay. Okay. Let's I don't even know what to expect from New York. I don't even know what to expect from New York, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's not bad. Yeah, especially on a higher time frame, that's a really decent order block. Is this the 1 minute microwave? Microwave, I nearly called you microwave. Disgusting. Disgusting. Out of curiosity, did you try... Oh, I don't know if this would have tagged. This isn't the range. No, it's not the range. Is it the range? No, it's not. It's not my strategy. I nearly asked, is this my strategy? I don't think it is, though. Radio growth, what's up? Straight downside, really? Possibly a bit of relief and then a nuke or straight bleed down. let's see. I have no idea what to expect. I thought that we had continued a tiny bit bullish. Okay, so it's on the 5 minute. Interesting. Let me check out the 5 minute quickly. Except for London, I thought we might continue tad but bullish. Okay, let's maybe ask this. Okay, so London was obviously obviously bearish. And now we've just kind of been accumulating. Do you think what could potentially happen is it could be New York reversal? Or you guys don't think so? You just think this is just gonna continue bearish all the way, just going straight down to the center of the earth. Lobber dobber. I love that. Good morning. What's up? How's it going? I'm so sorry. I haven't even done this.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I hope everyone is amazing. Let's see if New York gives us better price actions. Price actions? Better price action. London was insane. I think that's a good way to explain London. London was insane. But Mikuave, this is just for you.
Okay, let's go.
This is just for Mikuave. To get this party stuff. Oh, do you know what? I'm gonna play that at 9:30. Nah, I think that'll be quite funny. I'm gonna play that at 9:30. I've marked out all the highs and lows. I haven't really actually even looked for point of interest yet. I don't know what to expect from today. It went past all my points of interest from earlier. It's now kind of stuck on this bob level. I mean, this is kind of just going sideways. What does this look like on the 4 hour quick sticks? Let's check the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour went up there, now just dropped down. Just solidly dropped down. So that's 4 hour. Let's check 15 minute quickly. I mean, the 15 minute is just kind of going sideways. Okay, let's see what happens. 5 minutes. I'm going to kill you. Come here. There's a mosquito that comes out every single night and noms on me. Leave me alone, buddy. He bit me solidly yesterday. He's bitten me again now. He's so irritating. Ooh, check on the 5 minute. It tapped into this volume imbalance before reversal back up. I didn't see that on yours, Mikuave, but yours is ES, hey. I don't see it on ES. Let me double check. Oh no, there is a volume imbalance on ES. Mikuave, do you see the volume imbalance here? I think they add short. Hey Geordie, how are you? Well, London... More knives than people. Monster Mob? The knife was terrifying. When I used to drive to work, I used to listen to the radio, and every Friday we had loads of these. You would play it. Okay, let's go. It was one of them. That's amazing. Monster Mob, that's a short confirmation. Which part is a short confirmation, Monster Mob? Good reaction off of this volume imbalance there. Okay, I guess let's see how this goes today. We have a volume imbalance here, not so much. Okay, so hectic volume imbalance on the 5 minute, not so much here. The 5 minute was quite nice. I'm going to kill you, and I'm going to do it with no mercy. He refuses to die. It tells me every other day. His name is Matt. Oh no, he's done it for 2 days in a row, and it's just this arm as well, which is the most frustrating thing in the world. It's not like he does it evenly on both sides. He's just showing this arm. On 15-minute time frame, head and shoulders. Oh, thank you, Monster Muff. I'm guessing you're looking at the previous day low. 425. Okay, we have 5 minutes to go. Yeah. If the price action could price action today, I would be happy. But do I trust it to price action today? No. Not even a little bit, so... Let's see. My expectations for today are very, very small. I have very, very teeny tiny expectations for today. So let's see what we get. Maybe it's going to pleasantly surprise me. But yeah. Heyo! Is it Pinto? Nope. Point of impact golf. There we go. It took me a minute, but I got it. What's a point of impact golf? New year, what's my strategy? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. There we go. Ranging between 894, 835 for the last 5 hours. A break should run hard. Lubba dubba. Okay, I know I said this earlier, but I'm gonna say it again. I love that name. Love it, love it, love it. But at this point, I think the question is just which way is it gonna break? Is it gonna break to the bull or is it gonna break to the bear? First 20-minute upside and then slide. Okay, okay, Month. I'm gonna, let's check this out. Let's see if you are correct. I'm predominantly bullish, but who knows? Jordy, I'm agreeing with you. I know a lot of people actually think shorts. Go wait, we have 3 minutes. We have 3 minutes, people. Let's do this. Let's do a poll. I'm curious. Let's see. Essentially, what do you think today? What do you think New York is going to be? A bear or a bull today? I'm genuinely just curious. Green by 10 a.m. Nice, Bear in a Foxhole. You think so? Sorry, it took me a minute. Point of impact off. I'm so sorry. First 5 moves off bay. Thanks, I agree. Just have to wait and see, I guess. I'm super careful inside this range because I'm not a range trader. Oh, lubba dubba. What do you trade? Because same. If it's a rangy day, it's hands off for me. It's quite frustrating because I can't trade ranging and I can't trade. I just want to say breakout, like breakout momentum. Like if there's no retesting, I can't trade that because essentially my strategy relies on retesting the fair value gaps and things. So let's see what it brings. What time is it? Summertime. Sorry. I'm trying out. I was explaining and spinning my head a little bit. Oh, careful of confusing yourself, Nikuwave. I've been there, done that plenty of times. Hey, Eddie! What's up? Geordie short entry 956 is the entry. To sell calls and buyers cheap puts, then sell off at 10:30 EST. Okay, Uncle Ron. Let's see. I'm familiar with ICT. What is the auction theory? So sweet and simply, retesting so that you, how do I put this? You buy in a discount and you sell in a premium. So it's to do with pricing. So for example, I'm just giving an example. Obviously, I'm not going to take this, but yeah, let's say you have this range and you want to get into a sell at the best price possible for this range. So once it goes back up into premium, you take a sell. So my entry would be at the 50% premium and then it goes down. So it's basically retest in, and you use ICT and SMC as confluences and confirmations for, yeah, for your setup and entry. Lubba dubba, are we twins? Because that's what happened to me this morning. Oh wait, it's 9:30, it's 9:30.
Okay, let's go.
Lobadoma, it sounds like me and you have quite a similar strategy, which is cool. It's nice. It's nice to have someone with a similar strategy because you understand my pain. Thurble, what's up? Mikuave? Equilibrium 4 days. Let's do this. Equilibrium is awesome. It's just also frustrating because sometimes you think, aha, it's about to create equilibrium here, and then it does not. Oh, this mosquito is driving me mental. I feel like he's eating me alive, and I hate using Doom. So I don't think it's good for me or my dog. So, but gosh. We should build on that when we get time. I've learned that premium versus discount is deeper than just 50% level. I think you're ready for it, young Padua. Okay. You've piqued my curiosity, Geordie. Ayo, Dom, how's it going? Good morning. So, Dom, you believe it's going bull. I'm inclined to agree. I'm on the side of the bulls today. Again, I could be very, very wrong. Just saying. Okay, so we got 50% and the bulls are winning by 62%. Damn, okay, so this is quite an even split, I'm not gonna lie. This is quite an even split about what we think. I feel good. I feel good knowing that no one technically knows what the heck it's gonna do today. Great. Fair value gap, what's your main time frame? Well, I tend to stick... So, point of golf, I do top to bottom analysis, get an idea of where I think it could be headed, what could be a nice point of interest for a proper TP. But in general, I need to get better at this. It is something I'm aware I need to get better at. I do tend to stick to the 1 minute, maybe too much. Maybe a little bit too much. I do need to learn to zoom out a little bit more. I have been getting better. I have been getting confirmations from the 5 minute and 15 minute more. I am getting better. I'm trying really hard to be more disciplined with that. That doji's not promising, is it? Okay, well, we got our 930 range. Good rejection off of this bob level, but the buyers are trying, but the sellers are just not letting them win. I think bullish, but I think it's gonna sweep some lows first. Interesting, Mikwaba. Okay, let's see. Thanks. Down she goes today. See, interesting. We are literally like split in half between we think it's going bullish and we think it's just continuing down. London had such an insane move. In all honesty, with how big London moved for London, I wouldn't be surprised if this actually goes sideways. I didn't even put sideways there as an option, but I wouldn't be surprised if it just goes sideways. Nice, I do 15. And do you enter on the 1 minute or do you just stick with entry on the 5 minute? Bob, I'm sorry, there was a mosquito and it's nommed on me again. Like, I have... Can you see the bites? I have so many... Quit scratching your arm like a crackhead. And we got another Bob quote. Bob, 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 bob. I can't believe we got another Bob quote so early in the morning. What's up, Bob? How you doing? How'd you sleep? Did you have a good night? Hey, Marcia, what's up? How's it going? How is Brazil treating you today? It's known... For everyone that's just hopped on...
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Why was sleep rough? What happened? Point of impact? Nice, I'm only entering on the 5 minute chart, but if at a point of interest, we'll sometimes look at the... point of impact golf, what do you trade, by the way? So I trade the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. What's your asset of choice? Nathan, what's up? Am I from South Africa? I am. I am in South Africa right now, actually. What's up? Are you South African? Hot as hell right now. I hear that. I hear that. It is so hot here today. It's not okay. Look at this. Cool, we have got our 5 minute range and it's basically the exact same as the 930 range. Okay, let's see if it actually breaks out below. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, took out London low now. Are we gonna get our first presented? We're gonna go back into NWOG. Is this? Yes, this is NWOG. No? Is this NWOG? Yes, it is NWOG. Huh, okay. Does we have our first presented fair value gap? Woo, woo, woo. Here we go. Okay. I called that wrong. Well, no, let's not speak too soon. Damn, that's quite a big first presented, actually. Okie dokie. Not once you have like 200. It's gonna be funny watching you try keep up with the chat. Nah, I don't know if I'd ever have 200 views, to be fair. But I appreciate the optimism, Mikuave. I woke up in the middle of the night dreaming someone was... I apologize. I will never give away the source again. I thought it was allowed to be given away after 10k views. I promise. Secret source stays saucy now. Forever. Secret source stays saucy. That trade hit that I showed you. Nice, Mikuave. Okay. But you're gonna have to backtest, forward test it a little bit, right? Before you get confirmation. Really nice rejection off of that bob level. See how it goes here, but I mean, that's quite a huge wick. It's gonna go back down to bob level. Ooh, Muddy's stop loss over there is screaming. Hey, Ian, how you doing? Not even a year yet. Yeah, I haven't even been trading for a year yet. What's up? How you doing? Look at that level, look at the source. I know, Geordie, I'm watching it. Look at it go. Decent rejection, but it keeps retesting. Wouldn't have tagged me in either, which feels really disrespectful, but whatever. Because real traders don't observe a graph in real time. I'm so sorry, that was really rude. I snorted at you. That was very disrespectful. I'm so sorry, but I'm assuming you're an investor then, right? Or what do you do? I've been backtesting for 2 years. Nice. And have you started trading live or not yet? Now this is a big ass S&T. If we pump from here, I want to get some of that. Yeah, see, I'm confused. I don't understand how it's an SMT. Oh, I see how it's an SMT. Never mind, I take it back. My bad. I get it. So if it starts pushing to the buy side, correct? Jordy, like I said, I now know what to look for SMTs, but I don't understand. Maybe it's dumb that I don't understand 100% what they mean and what they mean, but yeah. It's easy to jump back because you know where the market is going. Rest assured, brother Bob is creating an indicator to trade my levels accordingly. But I'll be going live pretty. Oh, Ian, that's so exciting. What do you trade and what strategy do you trade? That is super exciting. So 2 years of backtesting, nice. Well done. Well done. Better than me. I just went for it. Don't know if it's a good or bad thing, but I just went for it. And here we are. So I would have gotten an entry there. It's stuck between the NWOG and the first presented. I don't know if I'm being dumb for waiting for confirmations, but I'm not quite trusting the price action just yet. I mean, look at these wicks. You can see the buyers want to come into play, but the sellers are just crushing them. The sellers are not letting them come to play. Social strategy, supply and demand. Oh, nice. Okay. Awesome. And how do you plan on... Sorry, I'm being a little bit intrusive. I'm just genuinely curious. How do you plan on going live? Are you going to be using prop firms? Are you just gonna... Yeah, you're gonna use a prop first, pass an eval so that you have a little bit of cushion for in case, you know, the emotions and things definitely come into play. Yeah. What's the plan? I've noticed you stay on execution time frame. Why? Yeah. I just always do. I can't trade too big. Does that make sense? I can't trade too big. That sounds weird. Hey, okay. No. I have to remind myself waiting for confirmations in this time frame isn't bad. Waiting for confirmations in not the time frame, sorry. In this price action isn't bad because this keeps freaking happening. I need to be better at double checking the higher time frame. So before I start, I do a top to bottom analysis. It gives me a point of interest, gives me an idea of my bias. And then I do get confirmations, but I look for my confluences on the 1 minute and then I confirm it on the higher time frames. Yeah, I bought a 200k account. You bought a 200k account, why is that? Antoine? What's up? Trading is digital gambling. Have you done any research on trading out of curiosity? Asking. Damn, are all the meanies out today? What's happening? Did everyone just be like, today we're going to choose violence. Let's come on here and be the problem we want to see in the world. Good grief.
Emotional damage.
Proper. No, but I'm asking why a 200k account? Why not start with like a 50k challenge or something like that? Sorry, just asking out of curiosity. Like, I'm always, like, I'm not being judgy. Sorry if I sound judgy. I'm genuinely not being judgy. I just always like to hear different people's way of thinking, because sometimes you think of something I never even thought about, and I'm like, oh, that's a really valid point, you know. I'm always really open to hearing different things. And this is why we wait for confirmation. I mean, here I would have moved, would have been a half loss. Here we go. Gambling is about turning small amount to big. So is trading. Except gambling, you have no control of the outcome and no control of your risk management. Go have fun, you're chilling? That's awesome. Is this a training session? Season? Session? No, this is a wait for confirmation that price action is going to start price actioning. Look at it go. Damn. ES is a lot stronger than NQ today. ES is going for it. NQ is failing at it right now. What currency am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Sorry, not a currency. So I usually backtest on a 200k account, so I'm used. I mean, that's valid. There we go. Awesome. Hey, John, what's up? This is a play with your musicians today. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This price action is making me sad. Mikuave, has anyone taken a trade? Has anyone actually taken a trade yet? Or not really? Okay, so Jordy, are you still here? Got fun. No? Cool. Jordy, I have questions. Jordy, come back. This will be a good time to look for an entry. For what? For a sell, Ian? What are you looking for? Looking for an equity retest to short now. Price has swept liquidity. See, this is why I'm curious. So Cerbal saying yes to downside. Ian, what would you be looking for? Buyers or sells? Close to sell before market open. Hey! Lulu, what? That's awesome. Well done. How much are you up then today? I don't think Jordy's here. Actually, speaking of 15 minutes. Sorry, I'm laughing at this 15-minute candle. What is this? Sorry, I know this looks very, very chaotic. I apologize for the chaos that this looks like. It's a 15-minute doji. But I can't trade in range, and this is ranging, so I'm hands off until we get confirmation that we actually headed in a direction. Sorry, I know that that's not what a lot of you want to hear. You want to be like, ah, gotta take a trade, let's go, let's go, let's go. But discipline is key. Discipline is indeed key. What in the volume imbalance is this? This is insane. Look at this. This is a huge volume imbalance. Wow. Sorry, I'm low-key. I'm gonna use a term I don't use often. I'm low-key flabbergasted at this price action. Okay, this is insanity. I just went long on MES. So ES looks good today. NQ can, yeah, go suck it. Mining stocks, I might take some profit soon. Market is unpredictable. Yep, just a little bit, John. Look, as long as you haven't had a M15 change of character, then you're safe to sell. I'm making back this week's losers. Oh, okay. Wait, how many losses did you have? Bear in a foxhole? Let's go. You know that means we have to do this now.
Okay, let's go.
Sorry. Couldn't resist it. Seasoned traders, I have a question. Please correct me if I'm wrong. No, it's okay. Actually, I don't want to ask. I feel like I know the answer. I feel like maybe it's a really dumb question, so I'm gonna actually be quiet. Is this the Mojo Jojo setup? No. It could be the Mojo Jojo setup. Nah, this is not the Mojo Jojo setup. Never mind, ignore me. Ayo, Black King, what's up? Okay, I will ask it. I feel like I know the answer and maybe it's a dumb question, but is this not a volume imbalance here? Is this just a huge volume imbalance? Yes, no, maybe. I mean, look at how it rejected off of it. It's quite a nice entry point for a quick scalp to the bull side, but is it a volume imbalance? So Eddie, you're saying bearish. Maybe I really should have put a sideways option here. Okay, so let's see. On the vertical, the bears won by 55% with 47 votes. And on the horizontal, the bulls won by 62% with only 16 votes. Okay. So yeah, like I said, is this technically a volume imbalance? Please correct me if I'm wrong there with that one. Oh yes, guys, don't forget to press that like button. I know we don't like this price action, but don't forget to press that like button. If you guys do use any of the prop firms that I am affiliated with, please don't forget to use my code. It's TeachMaya. You can get some awesome discounts. There's some awesome discounts currently happening at the moment as well, which is super, super cool. Oh, for anyone that is new, by the way, there is a Discord as well. If you guys want to join the Discord, obviously you don't have to. You guys do what you want to do what you gotta do. The bulls in play, is it just maybe going back up to VWAP? But we've broken above the 930. Is it gonna break above the 15-minute? Hasn't, I mean, respected the first presented there slightly. Doesn't feel like super quick scalps. There could have been a few trades here. Is anyone like a super quick, like within seconds in and out scalper? Like I said, I have lots of respect for people that can do that. I can't do it. I know I can't do it, but yes. Ouchie. MLPD. Ninja, what does that mean? Next 4-hour candle is going to shock people to the downside. So, Bull? Let's see. Sorry, what does MLPD mean? Ninja? I'm confused. I've never heard MLPD. I would love how to learn how to scalp. Mikuwave, and there's some people that do, hey? I have so much respect for people who can scalp like that. Literally, so much respect. Oh no, Ninja, what happened? Ninja, what happened? Max loss per day. Max loss per day. Ninja, what happened? Did you enter in on a short? So there's, ooh. Okay. Like I said, ES is looking good. NQ, not so much. Looks like a bear trap just occurred on the daily. Interesting. I've come to the realization I actually don't like being in a trade, so the quicker I'm in and out of trade, the happier I am. Ah, Biguave, you sound like me. Like, even if it's a loss, it's just, at least it's over. Like, if you're gonna take me out quickly. Just went long over 30-second order block. Silver bullet traded, damn. Nice. Nothing, just chopped up. My strat is not holding up under the conditions this year. No, Ninja. These past 2 days have sucked. Like, this sucks. I don't want to trade this. So until I do indeed get a decent confirmation. Wait. No, until I get a decent confirmation, I'm hands off. hit my stop on the short, onto the next. Hey, love it, that's okay, right? It's... Was there a lesson behind it or not really? My Micans, I heard you. I was just managing. Oh, sorry, Jordy. Was it a win? Are you still in it? Sorry for bugging. Apologies. What was I asking? Oh, I was asking with regards to SMTs. But maybe that's questions for a Discord chat, right? Just took out the highs, struggled to break above. Sorry, I'm focused on what the chart wiggles are doing right now. I need a tiny bit more confirmation. Rena Fox along MSTP at 6922. 6922. What the heck, Bob? 6922.75. Like, that's the thing. I'm not bothered about the end results. I just wanted in and out with the strat I'm using now. I have to manage the trade throughout the day. It's a pain. No, Mikuwabe, no, I can't do. I can't do managing it throughout the day. That's a bunch of BS if I did ever. But have ever seen. Shoot. I was a bit late for that. Huh. Let's see how it reacts here. I was a bit late. Sorry, if I go super quiet, it's because I'm genuinely focused. Doesn't always happen. When I'm genuinely focused, do you guys want me to speak what's going on through my brain? Out of curiosity, so I'm not just dead quiet. Like, I don't mind, except you guys might judge the living heck out of me if I had to speak what's going on in my brain right now. Not quite enough of rejection off of this level. I would like to have seen more rejection. This could be going down further, yep. Want to see it retest. So it did retest the 15-minute now. This is kind of what I wanted to see. Didn't retest far enough there. This is why we wait for confirmation. Retested back into the 15-minute. Create an order block here. This wasn't the cleanest, too eager this morning. I guess a lesson in patience. Baba Daba, that's exactly it. It's never a loss, it's always a lesson. I mean, sometimes the lessons suck, don't get me wrong, but shoot, the only problem is you think it's going back to the first presented? It kind of looks like it's going back to the first presented, but it's just properly broken below. VWAP on ES. Okay, actually, Maya, wait for confirmation before you do something dumb. That was a really big doji that's just... doji. Wick that's just formed over here. Don't be in a rush to take a trade. Do not be in a rush to take a trade. It's definitely not worth rushing today. Here would have been entry for a sell down to the first presented. Let's see if it respects. Hmm, 1 to 2. Okay, the buyers are wanting to come into play now. Okay. Oh, I nearly died. I nearly died. Okay, we're good. Hey, Joy of Travel, what's up? There's a road. I'm going to have to find edge elsewhere. That's okay. No, don't. Once purple. Wow, Mikuava, that's rude. Do you have an Apex code? Trying to use it now. Oh, unfortunately, I don't have Apex, Labadaba. I'm sorry. As I'm South African, all I can say is just give me a little bit of time. I would love to have an Apex. I would love to have Apex, but because I'm South African, Apex does not love South Africans. I have Tradeify. I know you don't use Tradeify though, and that's okay. But Labadaba, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Hey Mac Good, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Bottoming tail, opposite is topping. Hey Gapper X, how you doing? Just got home from, oh, Joy of Travel. You have not missed anything. You're good. You're good. Beautiful for this bob level. Bob to bob? Let's check the 5-minute. Sure, that was a solid bob to bob level. Jordy, did you take that? Wow, here we go. Here we go. Maybe we'll get something here. Back through to the new daily opening gap. Gonna go into midnight price now. Cool. Do we think we're gonna retest here now? Retested that 15-minute beautifully. I don't know if it's gonna come this far back down. Oh, it bounced beautifully. ES is looking beautiful today. Who's trading ES right now? Apart from Bob, Mikuava, are you also trading ES? ES is working so nicely right now. Trying to see here. There mustn't be too much of an eager beaver because obviously prices are definitely predictable right now, but actually 3 contracts is pretty solid. Place my buy limit for it to go back up to there. Let's check on the 5-minute if that's a valid position. Did it tap into anything? Tapped into this order block. I don't think it's going that far back down. Ooh, I got a decent shelf there as well. Retest back into that would be quite nice. 15-minute. AM gap, London high. Wait, oh, I mean my new daily opening gap is there. I don't think it's gonna retest as far down as I wanted to retest. Should continue higher if my theory lines up. I'm gonna try one more. 1 minute candle push outside the range was your confirmation to take it long to the next with your stop loss just below the power candle. Bob, I need to start trusting it. I need to start... Do you know what? Maybe I should... You know what I should do? Maybe I need to just start doing like one contract, buy and sell in with it and see. This is not a great drop. That's not a great drop, is it? Okay. But whoop whoop so far, nice man. Did you see the streamer doing the great get piled up on Alpha? No, Mikuwabe, what? What happened? Oh no, I didn't. Israel the shithold, AG was pumping and just took $100 profit. Nice, John! That is awesome! Go back to the 1 minute quickly. Oh shoot, this is going too fast down. Ah, shoot, I'm in it now. That... okay. Yeah, that's dropping too fast. I want to see a rejection off of it. I want to see a proper rejection off of it. That's not a proper rejection. You want to trade level to level, do some back testing or forward testing on paper. True. True. Come on, reject. Why does it look like it's making an M? Okay, I don't like what it's doing on ES. I want to see a proper push here. Come on. No! One minute time frame. Yep. Come on, go up, go up, go up, come on. That was a good one. Keep driving, keep driving, keep driving. Good rejection. Does your prop firm have silver futures micro contracts true? Gappa X, I'm gonna have to check about that. I'm not so sure about... Shoot, it broke below on ES. Keep rejecting. Ayo X, what's up? How you doing? I'll check for you, Gapper X. I'm not 100% sure. I'm pushing price up with my mouse. Can you quick blow the screen? If that starts working, I'm gonna actually laugh. I'll laugh so much if that started to work. Oh, I don't think it's gonna work. Ayo, Lucky, what's up? Good, I'm still didn't pass challenge. No, X, what happened? Good rejection there, come on. No, bad rejection of a VWAP on the... Oh, damn, it's stuck on VWAP. Come on, let's go. No, X, what happened? Hey, Bob, it's a shaky one. Yeah, this This is interesting. Music to drop my account. I don't know what I do. Axe, are you sticking with your rules? Maybe? It's gonna hit trade. Just count down from 15. 15! Okay. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What was that spread? 2, 1. Oh no, Wi-Fi. Oh, thank you, Lucky. Well, this is terrifying me right now, not gonna lie. This is not a great place to be in right now. The buyers are wanting to take control, but the sellers are just not letting them. Let's go, buyers. Let's go. Let's go, buyers. Let's go. Let's go, buyers. Let's go. Nope, they didn't like my singing. Sorry, I meant 40 seconds. Oh no. This looks more interested in my stop loss than anything else. I think this is gonna be a loss. Dag nabbit. Yeah. Yep, okay. Loss. Oh, come on, Wi-Fi, stop it. I was gonna hit. You said I was gonna be out. Rest in peace, Wi-Fi, seriously? There we go. I mean, they tried. The buyers tried. They really, really tried. They did their bestest. Ugh, days like this suck. I seriously have to get a cable and sort out this Wi-Fi because it's pissing me off. Sorry, it only beeped now. Wow, this Wi-Fi is freaking out. Literally freaking out. Sorry, you guys, I don't know what happened with the Wi-Fi. Nah, Ninja, it's okay. It is what it is. There we go. 49708. It is what it is. Retail stuff. Okay, SMC, dude. Balance, let's update this. 49. Oh, it's 708. It's okay, we still have a way to go. Was a loss, you're right. I should maybe wait for more confirmation. I mean, this was a goodie, but it's fine. I did think it was a tad bit risky with this price action, but I had my confirmations. It was fine. Do you think this price action is going to sort itself out by next week? Or is that just me being super hopeful? Because this price action is not okay. Please don't say this wicked me out. And now it's gonna go up. Your bull bum. I have! That's so all good. Have you ever tried anything other than ICT? How much time worked for the past year? Oh, Axe, it took me a while. It took me a while. Seriously? Are you freaking kidding me? And Harrison, how do you know that? What are you seeing that I'm not? Called me 3 times. Yeah, it's... Okay, again, Harrison, what are you seeing that I'm not? I do have my own Wi-Fi. It's just, it's having a complete meltdown today. Complete meltdown. Oh, this is annoying. Bob, I'm assuming you're still in this trade, right? I'm also in drawdown for what it's worth. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I'm going TP off to stop. I can't watch this. I know, Axe, this hurts a little bit. This hurts. That's mean. That's just ice cold. This feels very unnecessary. Aw, thank you, Harrison. That's very sweet. But pay my trading. Hey, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I told you to go for your target now. Well, joy of travel, that's not very nice, is it? Oh my gosh. This price action's scary. What's happening? Hey, Jace? Jay? It hit my stop loss. Ninja! Is that an internet? Is it the internet? Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. That is hilarious. Minute high. 15-minute high? But yeah, here's the 15-minute high. I'm confused. This is the 15-minute high. I marked out the 15-minute high. Oh, courage. I read cougar. I was like, I'm not a cougar. I'm still young. Kiss of the Death is named Touched Up Lost in Moon. Yeah. Did you hear of the new AI trading? I did not. What is it? 251 target. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Ah, this PA is great for DK. I know, but it hit my stop loss here. You can see it wicked me out. It literally wicked me out. I should have. I'm actually gonna put this. Specifically also on accountability. Yeah, this is gonna hurt my feelings. Look at it go. This is too gonna hit TP. Get back in on next grid, it'll settle in. It's all just yellow news. Aw, thanks, Axe. You're so sweet. The bot you can use to create sub-agents in that main AI will train the sub to trade for you. Connect to your account and it'll trade for you. Just trade it. All the paper trade first. What the heck, Chase? That's crazy. Does it work? Oh. Oh my gosh, this is going sideways. This is actually going sideways. I mean, my balance is 49708, so it's fine still. It's fine still. Yeah, there's air trading that does it for you too. I think you have to count the green pumping panel 789 sell. Wait. Heyo, DJ, what's up? Oh, okay, no, now it's going. Sorry, that's how I feel about this price action right now. It's just disgusting. 100%. I'm in profits after 2 days, significantly. Got my double already. I've doubled my account in 2 days. No. No. But your grades are up. Nice, DJ. Well done. That's good. I'm glad your grades are up. That's winning at life, if I do say so myself. Oh, yes, I did. Life in the trap zone. Oh, to be fair, when I saw this going, part of my brain was thinking, close it while it's in the green, close it while it's in the green. But knowing my luck, if I had closed it when I was in the green, I would have gone all the way to TV. I know me. I know my luck. That is exactly what would have happened. This is a really good engulfing candle to the sell side. It's gonna go back down to Bob level. Hey, Kay! You say all the way from Africa to Botswana. I'm South African. What's up? So we're kind of like neighbors. How you doing? It's a lot of coding though. See, I know absolutely nothing about coding. For what it's worth, you know, Lucky, I know this sounds bad, but it does make me feel a little bit better. Sorry, I know that's bad. Me, you, and Ninja, we're just not having the bestest week, and that's okay. That's okay. Having a no? Yes, no, yes. I am having a little bit of a. Am I? I don't even know. I might be having a bit of a red week. Monday, Tuesday were green. Wednesday, Thursday, red. Well, I know Thursday's not done yet, but so far. Maybe this price action will start price actioning, but I don't have high hopes. Medina, what's up? I've been trading into Nasdaq and gold and I've realized I'm better at scalping on Nasdaq by a lot. I told you. I told you, Mr. Gold is better. Have we converted you? Come to the dark side. We have cookies. And memes. We have lots of memes. We have lots of memes here.
Emotional damage.
Yes, but small green is better than red loss regardless. Stefan, you have a point. I'm glad. Welcome to the diva side of life. Because Nasdaq is a diva. See you tomorrow, take a breath and go with dog outside. I mean, Dom, it's not a bad idea. I'm contemplating doing that because this sucks. This price action is not okay. Who's enjoying this price action? Out of curiosity, right? Out of genuine curiosity, I'm actually gonna do a poll. Because I'm properly curious about if there is people out there that enjoy this. Good on you if you do. Seriously, well done, but bleh. Jordy, you like this? Why? 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 Why do you like it? I don't understand. You look flustered. Yeah, maybe I am a bit flustered. I don't know if flustered is the right word. Terrible at friendship. Jordy, loving not only a scalper's paradise, but also good for options. Yeah. I found your channel watching someone else's channel last night. Someone in the chat mentioned your channel first day here. Love your energy. What? What? How did I come up? Sorry, Lobba Dobba. It's like, what? How did I even come up? I mean, that's super cool. Thank you to whoever mentioned me. Unless you guys were being mean, in which case that's unnecessary. But I'm just kidding. Lobba Dobba, you are awesome. Thank you for joining. Welcome. Welcome to the chaos. I think chaos is pretty accurate. Lobba Dobba, did you take another trade, or you also kind of hands off with this because this price action sucks for my way of trading? I don't know about you though. Jordy, my question is, do you like this? I'll have to wait for an hour or two to see a man about it. 3 10-point scalps and ears just past 30 minutes. Learning volume helps me work a range with tiny scalps at this range. I don't know how you do that, Jordy. I don't know how you do that. The market nowadays has too many consolidation. Lucky, I agree with you. I agree with you. It said you and her were buddies. I don't remember exactly. Interesting. Ah, I love it. This ain't looking good. Bob, you know, this price action just sucks. Hey, Oroshan, what's up? I'm still sitting on my hands. Good idea. Me and you, Lobba Dobba. I thought this was a goodie. I mean, it was an A+ setup. I had my 3... yeah. I had my 3 confluences. This price action just sucks. Should have maybe waited for a little bit more of a confirmation. So that is on me. It's fine. Lesson learned, right? Never a loss, always a lesson. Yep, I want that. Let's wait for 30 minutes scalping. I buy low and sell high. It's knowing when it moves away to cut loss before it takes the... You mean? He's definitely... I'm not good at that. I'm lost much day. Oh no, Medina, that's okay though. So it sounds like we're all just having a bad week. Or we're gonna have to have a chill session tomorrow. Maybe we all just say screw it, we don't trade tomorrow because this week has just sucked. And we just all hop on Discord and we just take a break. I don't hate the idea. We all just play games, take a break, get our mind off of trading for... Nah, but it's good to watch the markets even in these conditions. Like, look at this. This really big engulfing candle off of this bob level was quite a nice indication for a bob to bob. I like... well, I don't love it, but I'm trying to be optimistic there, you know? Here we are, true. SPA. Yeah. Price action was worse than the drunk uncle ever. Quinceanera, wow. I'm gonna really sell if it breaks my level. In the words of my guy Vapor, this... Boom Banana, have you seen the price action? That's what's happening. This price action sucks. This price action is awful, Boom. How has your week been going with this? This current 1 minute cleared the 200 to the downside and currently 5 is clearing the 50 after 20 rejections. 5 minute close is important to me, okay? The game is simple, buy low, sell high. There are many strats to accomplish this. Seems your strat is pretty strict with multi-confluence. There's nothing wrong with that, but you're just gonna have less setups. True. I don't know about you guys, but I might as well go play some mini golf at this point, Mikuave. You're not wrong. Is this fight like this? Fridays are the best trading days for me though, but after this week might be a good idea. Learning lessons. I've lost a lot of money in the past, no worries. I just take profit if I have to. Hey Seth, you think pump it? It's now starting to look like a sell soon. Let's see. Okay, so the no's have definitely won with regards to this price action. Oh, what? Some people actually like this price action. Don't take this the wrong way. But what the heck is wrong with you? Just kidding. It's like a 50-50. Yeah. Seth, there's your pump. Bob to bob, man. Bob to bob. It's actually insane. Look at this bob to bob level action going on here. Shoot, it's one of these days. It is. It's eventually going to break out, but it's just going to... It's going to bounce between this bob level for a while. Which makes me want to do dumb things and just start going, okay, bob level back up. Okay, bob level, sell. Bob level, buy. Bob level, sell. No, now is not the time to do silly things. Now is not the time. I want to, don't get me wrong, but now is not the time to do it. Ouch, okay, we're doing pain now.
Emotional damage.
I think that question was valid, yeah. Is there another 10-point ES scalping? There's nothing. My parents had me tested and everything. My parents did not have me tested, and maybe that's the problem. Maybe they should have. Maybe they should have been like, you know, okay, there's clearly something wrong with this one. We need to test it. It's defective. But they didn't, and that's on them. That's not my fault. That's on them. Bob to bob level. Freaking bob to bob. Let's see how it reacts here. There's a good rejection on this candle. I would say sell. Need a good rejection though. A nice decent wick. I wouldn't quite call that a decent wick, but okay. So no, don't sell yet. Don't sell yet. Don't sell yet. Nope. Need a bigger rejection off of that bob level. Come on. A little bit better. Let's see how it closes. So I'm now forward testing bob to bob levels because the rest of this sucks. I should have just sat on my hands. Whips and chains, wicks and stop loss at the same set. Yeah, both of them suck, but we can't get enough. There's something wrong with us. Anyways. Great range since 430. Great range? Did you just say great range? Everything makes sense now. How did I miss this? I'm so sorry. Yeah, of course you did, Bob. I said this is going bob to bob, and now if it rejects properly, I want to see it go bob to bob again. Just tapped into the new daily opening gap. Let's see if it goes bob to bob again. Is it just going to be ping-ponging between... Ping-ponging? Pinballing between the bob levels. I low-key think it's going to be pinballing between the bob levels. They're gonna start breaking out now? Bob, are you still in this? This is a great bullish 5-minute engulfing candle. I'm still not trusting this. I'm still hands off for now. I see what you did there. Mikuave, don't worry, I did see that as well. I judged it a little bit. I feel like we're close enough now that I can judge you. I won't judge anyone else because Mikuave, stop. No, I'm just kidding. Happy Mikuave, you're the bestest. Don't leave me. Ping-ponging is valid too. Have you watched the Olympics? I have not, Ninja. Are they insane? I'm kind of jelly. Ooh, okay. Decent engulfing. Let's see if this goes back down to bob level. Kind of wanted a quick long above this level, but it's iffy. Yeah, no. Well, okay, wait, let's see if it closes as an engulfing. Let's not jump to conclusions. Not ideal there. Let's see if this closes properly. Nope, okay. So none of these would have entered for bob to bob level. Let's see if we eventually... Still watching, let's see how this candle closes. If this drops one more time, I'm going golf with Ollie. I might join you guys. No, Mikuabe, this sucks. Oh, wait, engulfing? 20 seconds to go. I might be keen. Yeah, I would probably enter bob to bob level here. I'm gonna place this. I don't love it, but I'm gonna... No, I'm not placing it. Sorry, I'm placing this here out of curiosity. I'm not placing a trade. Let's just maybe establish that. Not placing a trade. I'm just curious. No, never mind. See, this is why you have to wait for close. See, this is the only thing. This is the problem with me marketing in. I don't know, my brain goes, do it, and then I do it, and then I make a mistake because I'm not patient enough when it comes to marketing, and it's a bit of a problem. Maybe it would have worked in this case, but I'm not convinced. Don't let it be. No, don't worry, Ninja. I'm not taking it. Believe me. Lesson learned with this one. I thought I waited for enough confirmation. I clearly did not. Wait longer for confirmation when the price action sucks a big one. Sorry, that maybe was a bit rude, but this just... How else do you explain this? This sucks. Heyo, Solly, what's up? How you doing?
That's what she said.
That was pretty good. That was good. How you doing, Solly? Are you good? Hey, Trader Rensler, what's up? How you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. Yep, whoop whoop, and now I'm in drawdown on my funded. That's okay. That's okay. We're gonna continue. My balance is at 49708, but it's okay. I had one loss. No? How many losses have I had? I had one win. Give me a second. Let me go through my trades. Okay, yeah. Oh my goodness, so I had one win, 3 losses. Shucksy doodle. Oh well. It is what it is. This price action has just not been really nice this week, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to this and figure out where my strat is falling apart and where I can patch the cracks. Have you ever played Overwatch? What's Overwatch? Okay, let's see. Hey, oh Hammer, what's up? Been a while hectic at work. I mean, that's not bad though. Work is good. You haven't really missed much with regards to this week's price action. This week's price action has just, you know what it's been doing to everyone? This week's price action has just caused
emotional damage.
Yeah. That, sweet and simply, that is all that this week's price action has done. It has just caused emotional damage solidly. I need to go and cry and no, I'm joking. I'm joking. I've accepted the losses. It's fine. All of them, I know. Okay, how do I put this? All of the losses I've had, I know where I went wrong. So they were all lessons. So at the end of the day, it's fine. It's worth it. I'm in drawdown, but not like hectically. So it's okay. It's okay. You don't know Overwatch. You're not much of a gamer, huh? Well, yes and no. I used to be. I feel like I just don't have enough time anymore to game, which is sad. It is sad. It is sad. Peace, fam. Catch y'all tomorrow. Cheers, Ninja. Enjoy. Love you. Seek and destroy. Trader Rinse, I don't even think it's seek and destroy week. It's just consolidation, freaking momentum. So it's either consolidating and wicking people out, or it's running away. I feel like that's what it's been doing. It's either been wicking people out, so yes, kind of seek and destroy, or it's just been running away, and if you didn't catch it early, you're screwed. It doesn't come back to get you. Roller coaster, exactly. It's been a roller coaster. That's my name on card emotional. And I love it. Precious metals are pumping this morning. Damn you, market makers! Have you noticed a change in emotions since being funded and making trades? Gap X, no, not really. But I think it's because I've literally just told myself it's an eval. I know it's not, but I'm treating it like another eval account. Let's get this push, yeah. I think a run is close. Let's see, Hammer. I think these algorithms are making hard nowadays. DJ, I agree with you. If you know what went wrong, it's not... That's a positive up from here. No, exactly. Like this one, for example, I should have waited for more confirmation because the price action has been bad. So it was an A+ setup. I did have my 3 confluences, but that being said, I have known that the price action has just been disgusting. So I should have waited for more confirmation. In all honesty, that's probably what I'm going to end up doing tomorrow. I'm probably going to end up just, even if it's just drawing up trades like this, and if they are respecting my levels, I will start searching for a trade again. It just feels like nothing is respecting anything this week, just with regards to my strategy. Yeah. And that's fine. You're gonna have some weeks where it just doesn't work out. You just have to carry on. Can you explain and displacement for dummies? Hey, DB. We push. Push it. Push it real good. Push it. I feel like I need to put myself in a timeout for that one, because that was kringe. That was bad. That was not okay. Now, okay, moving on. Moving on. It's on the way up now. Let's see. True step. That's exactly. That's right. 3, 2, 1. Bob, you had confirmation. 4. Oh, in that 1 minute candle, yeah. Wait, what? What do you mean? Here, this one. Are you talking about this 1 minute candle here at 9:52? Is that the candle you're talking about? I mean, this wick here was also confirmation for level to level here. This engulfing candle here for level to level. This wick, level to level. No engulfing. Only problem with the engulfing ones is they have to be pretty solid, and then you're going to enter, and it's... but I mean, half a move is better than nothing, right? I mean, this engulfing, it would have been like a 1 to 1R, but it's still a win. Bring snacks. Bye-bye. Cheers, Geordie. I might come join you now, hey? Come on, everyone knows girls can't trade. Asmit, I say this respectfully, get up. Oh, no, I have a comeback. I have a comeback. Sorry, I'm not doing this disrespectfully. Just, I've been waiting to say this, and unfortunately, you're the one that you hath provoked it out of me. So, it goes like this. You give off last place, but still bragging energy. Boom! Boom!
Emotional damage!
Sorry, moving on. It's gonna be a huge long trade now. What was that, DJ? I don't know. I haven't looked at NQ chart today, but it looks, you know, 4 in the top of the range, bottom. I'm gonna want to sell the top. Nox, what's up? How you doing? Oh, never mind. You're talking about confirmation for your Big Bang Theory you trade. Yeah, that's the one, Bobby. I just called you Bobby. I'm so sorry. Archer, that's awesome. Well done. Whoop whoop for you. This is for anyone that has indeed had. Why did I press one? For anyone that has had a winning day or winning week, well done. Nomad, what's up? How are you doing? Mike, drop. Oh, that was super weak. Oh, I tried. That was so mean. Call me whatever you want, Smoot. Just don't call me late for supper. Popcorns! Popcorns! Let's do this! Popcorns! Let's do this! Do you know what's funny, Bob? I don't know if you saw that short where this price action, I'm like, Robert, it's pissing me off. I was thinking of you just because of the Robert thing. I was like, it feels like I'm actually talking to you saying, this is pissing me off. Pissing me off isn't a swear word, is it? Is that still PG-13? I feel like that's PG-13, it's fine. You know what is kind of frustrating? This nice slow down is giving me yes for a long vibe, but it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It feels a little bit too risky for me right now. Okay, you have piqued my curiosity, Bob. Okay. You have piqued my curiosity. Did he leave? He came, he was mean, and he left. Where did he go? Hasn't it come back? Aww. He came, he was a bully, he emotional damaged me, and left. I'm up around 4.5%, but I trade in Asian Euro sessions, just lying in bed awake watching someone else trading. Nice! Ensign, that's awesome. Hi. How many years long and my vape is right next to me so I don't panic close. My dad, ICT, says when girls trade for real, they can do it better than boys. Obviously a huge generalization, but dad has spoken. Yeah, there we go. If Solly's dad has spoken, we gotta respect it. We gotta respect it. Sir Michael. It's a swear word in England. Oh, I'm so sorry. I apologize. I apologize. Like a 1 minute timeout for doing that. Maybe I should. 1 hour so far. Bullish closes in 12 minutes. Let's see. Bob. Ooh, Bob sent it. Okay, wait. I'm all for. I am so dying to see what this is. Fatality. Oh my gosh. I've heard worse. Okay, then that's good. Okay, it's done. Do you know what's frustrating? I can't even say this to you guys right now because it's too much. It's too much. Okay, Bob, where did you learn this? You are such a distinguished gentleman. You shouldn't know these type of clapbacks. Honestly. Point tomorrow, Friday anyway. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers, Lucky. Y'all. I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes until the hourly candle, right? Maybe we see some movement there. If it doesn't start moving at 11, yeah, if it doesn't start moving or doing something at 11, I'll probably join the Discord. But I will, yeah, I'll give it until 11. Let's see. There's movement. There's movement. Not in the direction I wanted it to move, but there's movement. Oh, that will technically. That was a really good rejection off of the bob level. Would I have trusted it though? Maybe not, but here's a really big engulfing. So for its and giggles, let's say I would have marked it in for a sell here, just down to the 0 level. Let's see. Let's see how this would have worked. It's called 50 years of living. I mean, that's valid. What's all that movement back there? Movement back where? Is it me being crazy? Woo! Okay, so if I'd entered here... Listen, the risk to reward. No, yeah. I don't even care about the risk to reward right now. Let's see. Let's see if this would have worked. I didn't take this just before people come at me. And I'm just ticked up 0.50, yeah. So that would have taken me out solidly. I've just thought of something. I've just thought of something, but it's something I'm gonna have to back test and forward test, see if it works. On days like this, like in the chop fest, right? In the chop fest, entry at stop loss. I know everyone always says entry at stop loss, but especially choppy days, right? No, I don't even know where I would have put this range. Never mind, ignore that one. Because that would have been entry and then up, but then how would I still make it? So that's then the next question. Sorry, I'm kind of thinking out loud. You guys are just here for the process. I apologize. Make it 3R instead of... I was gonna... You can be cheeky and make it 4R, but maybe just make it 3R. Stick with the 3R trade. Because then it works quite well. Because there would have been a win back up there. And now you do the next. Nope, nope. I mean, ironically, this would have been a win there, but that's not the point. Let's say you followed this down here. Entry at stop loss. Wouldn't have even gone that far down. Would have made a 3R, maybe had a runner back down to the bob level. This one, entry at stop loss. So I'm now just, I'm thinking out loud. Sorry, guys. You get to deal with the process of how the brain cells start to freak out. But anyways. What up, Edison? Yes, I'm on the 1 minute. Using that 5-minute engulfing candle bottom as my wick. Backtesting mentioned. I'm a volatile with my friends. That is amazing. I love that. Ayo, Frankie, what's up? How you doing? I want the process actually, Nubia. Oh, nice. Okay, well that was my thought process, right? With regards to that, especially during this lovely pile of happiness. Let's call this price action the lovely pile of happiness, and we'll go with that. We'll go with that for now. Like, okay, let's... Yeah, seriously, entry at stop loss. Huh, interesting. Sorry. Like, let's go back to London session here. Again, hindsight is really easy. It's really easy in hindsight to look at things and be like, oh, look, this would have worked, but... Let's say... Here... This may have just, yeah. This would have just ticked in. And then 3R down. Obviously, I'd have to see where the 3R down is from here, but... Ooh, come back. I mean, this, in this case, would have worked out pretty damn well, but we're just sticking with 3R. We're not here to be greedy. So it would have gone straight away down to 3R. Not bad. Then let's say we went to the next level. Oh, this ironically would have worked for my normal strategy. Seriously. Then you follow. You just keep following. Back up, stop loss, back down. This would not have worked. This would have been a stop loss. Back to here, that would have stopped me out. Let's now see here. Once it's stopped out, pop it back up. Oh, this would have actually ironically worked for normal strategy. Interesting. Sorry, I'm thinking out loud. Apologies. Let's see this one here. Again, hindsight is very easy. Super easy in hindsight to see things. So that's why you have to do proper back testing where you can't see. Pick a day, maybe if you have a friend over, ask them to just go to a random spot between a time and ask them to just pick it so you can't see hindsight. Or I think there is actually a place where... Anyway, sorry. Let's just reset for now. Then up. That would have hit a stop loss. That would have hurt my feelings. Again, hindsight is easy. Stop there. Wait. Put that there. 3R up. Okay. Cool. Sorry, that's just my brain cells working overtime. It's not respecting VWAP anymore. It's just going up and down and up and down and up and down. Hey Doze, what's up? I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I've missed a lot of things here. I was out here for 40 points, still too risky to stay in. Yeah, I know, love it up. But well done, still whoop whoop, that's awesome, well done. Still a win. That's the point, it's still a win. Price has moved a lot of price, it's not moved at all. You keep lag, I'm so sorry. No, it's probably me, I'm sorry, my Wi-Fi is not playing ball today. I apologize, Labba Dabba. Pride action, 3, 2, 1, run! Okay. It's now 11. Let's see. If this starts chopping again, I might call it there because it's not worth it for me to take this. Let's see, right? Price action, gonna start price actioning now that we have... It's 11. Hey DefDog98, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How are you doing? How goes it? Are you doing amazing? Me? Trying to get into futures trading, crypto pairs, trying to absorb the right stuff. Oh, interesting, Alk. Okay. Yeah, it's not always easy. Hey, Alk, how long have you been trading for? I'm also in this trade. Oh no! Well, I'm not in this right now. I was in this. It took me out. Unfortunately, it was a loss. This price action has just been causing a lot of emotional damage to a lot of people this week, I'm just saying. Going to consolidate through lunch again until afternoon news, isn't it? Probably, Solly, yeah. Solly, I think it, yeah. It's here to hurt our feelings. 0 days. Nice, but you sound like you kind of know a little bit. Have you done some back testing, or do you know of any strategies? Yeah. Let me know a little bit about yourself. 6897 incoming for ES. 6897. Oh, potentially. Let's see if it goes that high up. The buyers are really gonna have to start coming to play. Okay, it has 3 more minutes to start proving that it's gonna do something else. I might call it a little bit early today, guys, just because this is driving me crazy. Oh, this sucks. This, again, I'm very aware that there's some people that really enjoy trading this type of chop. I am very, very aware that some people really enjoy this. So much respect to you. So much respect to you. I do not know how you do it. My brain would be having little mini panic attacks every 5 seconds. So much respect to you guys if you can trade this. Okay, wait, we have some movement. Wait. We have some movement on the charts. Let's see. So short. DJ, I say we march to the New York trading floor and demand our money back. Eddie, you know what? You're right. Let's start a riot. Riot. No, I'm just kidding. They're gonna come for me. I'm just kidding. If you guys are watching, I have so much love for you. Respect. Don't come kill me. Moving on. Today's price action is a gift. I entered way early. Are you in a buy or sell? B2?
That's what she said.
Noise. Okay, wait, we got some movement. Look. Maybe it'll wake me up. Wake me up. When I'm wiser and when I'm older, because at this stage, when this price action starts to move, I'm going to have aged 30 years. Seriously. Baron Foxhole, what's up? Again, curiosity is getting the best of me. Let's see if I've done this. 1, 2, 3. Has 3 confluences. Do I trust anything that's going on today? Hell no. Lesson learned. Trading range, limit order market looks like. Big up, big down, big confusion. Yep. Massive confusion. Watch this now work out. I don't know if I will start laughing or start crying. No, it's not. I was about to say, is it doing Mojo Jojo? It's not doing Mojo Jojo. I think outside your strat for a minute and look at the range. You simply sell to and buy the bottom. Rinse, repeat till one side breaks. Sorry? That was rude. Think outside your strat. I hear you. I've just never been good at that. Because I'm assuming you mark it in, right? Is that how you do it, Gavin? Do you mark it in? Okay, is my goal for the year. I don't even know what percentage that's... Oh, I want to say it is possible. it might take longer, especially if you are brand new. I'm just saying. This is the level I entered lungs 247. We are taking midnight open. It's roughly 3%. Kind of DJ, yeah. And if this hits my 0.2 level, I'm also calling it. Yep, I'm outie. Okay. Yeah, no, today's price action sucks. I'm calling it before I rip my hair out. I will hop, actually, give me 2 seconds. I will be hopping on Discord just for a little bit, just to chill with everyone. So if you guys are new and you want to join Discord, you're more than welcome to. Please come join the fam damly. I'm saying fam damly because DJ, come join. Honestly, come join. Yeah. Seriously, guys, more than welcome to come join. I'm gonna call it because this really sucks. But I love you guys madly. I will be back London and New York. Fingers crossed. Hopefully the price action decides that it's going to do this. Please, oh please, can it decide to do this? Please, that's all I ask. But I love you guys madly. Let's keep fingers and toes crossed that tomorrow's price action actually price actions, okay? But I love you guys madly. Don't forget to press that like button if you do use prop firms, specifically any of the prop firms I'm affiliated with. You can check the description below. Yeah, please use my code. It's Teachmaya, all caps, no gaps. All caps, no gaps. The more support, the better the chance for me to start doing giveaways. Just saying, okay. But I love you guys. I'll be back tomorrow. You guys were amazing. Thank you again for all the support. Tomorrow's Friday, people. I love you. Bye.